Hospital management in a case of snake bite. Rapid clinical resuscitation. Assess the level of consciousness. ABC. Airway, breathing, circulation. For airway and breathing, if airway is patent, place the patient in a recovery position. If airway is compromised, a noisy breathing, do a head tilt, chin lift, maneuver to open the airway. If the patient is not breathing, start bag and mask ventilation and CPR. The patient is not able to maintain respiration, endotracheal intubation and mechanical ventilation. Patient may need early endotracheal intubation if a bite is on the face or neck because soft tissue swelling develops rapidly and may occlude the airway. For a circulation, secure for circulation, secure tube or peripheral lines in unaffected extremities as soon as possible. Rapid and low volume pulse indicate hypotension which need immediate IV fluid. Close monitoring vital signs, cardiac rhythm, oxygen saturation and urine output. Then rapid history and rapid general physical examination. Local examination. Examine the bitten part, look for tense edema and extent of swelling, elicit tenderness to palpation. CVS, arterial pulses, BP, heart rate, lymphadenopathy and lymphangitis, compartmental syndrome, petechiae, purpura and ecchymosis and epistaxis. Gingival examination, bleeding or not, groin pain and tenderness suggest acute renal ischemia. In Russell Viper bite, common senses. Immediately remove jewelry or tight fitting clothing near the bite side, for example bangles, rings and thread. Thank you.